there everyone. Today I have a new recipe that I think you're gonna like. We're kicking off the crawfish season, and after that the Lenten season, where we don't eat meat on Fridays if you're Catholic. So, and we have a big Catholic following in Louisiana. So this is stick of butter crawfish pilaf, and I'd like to call it marry me crawfish rice. So because I made this for my husband, first time I ever cooked for him, and he was hooked. So I've got a stick of butter kind of cut up in the pot, and I'm gonna add, I've got celery, bell pepper, onion, and garlic. So let me add that in. Okay, I added that in. If you wanted to, you could microwave the butter and the vegetables together to cook them a little bit first, but I don't think it really needs it. So here I have about a pound of peeled crawfish tails. This is so easy. I have 1 cup of rice. Use whatever kind of rice you like. I'm gonna put a little bit extra rice. And then 1 can, this is a 4-ounce can of mushrooms. I really like mushrooms and I would add more. 1 can of beef broth. And then I'm gonna season with some Cajun seasoning. Put as much as you want. And that's it. Now, I'm just gonna stir this up and turn the rice cooker on. If you don't have a rice cooker, you could certainly do this on the stove, or even throw everything into a casserole dish and bake it in the oven. So, there we go. Now, I'm just gonna put my lid on. This is a great thing to take to parties, and in about 20 minutes, it's gonna be ready. Just thought about it. I gotta add my old standbys. Some onion powder. That's like half a teaspoon. Garlic powder. Garlic powder is a spice. Even if I put garlic in there, I can still put garlic powder. And some paprika. This is mostly for color. Stir that up. And it's ready to go. Turn on the rice cooker now. All right, it's done. Let's check it out. See that? Now, what you want to do is fluff it with a fork. Fluff that rice. Now, you could use shrimp instead of crawfish if you want. I mean, you could put chicken and sausage in here if you wanted to. You know, you can make it your own. And you don't have to use mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, I would add a little extra water if you did not use mushrooms. So here's my Cajun hack to make everything, every dish you cook with rice, a little bit better. So right here, I have some sliced green onions and some chopped parsley. What you want to do is, after it's cooked, you want to add some, I'm not going to add all of it, and then add some parsley and just fluff that in. This adds a really nice freshness to the dish. It makes it taste even more homemade, even if you're using a box mix for jambalaya or rice dressing or something. This just makes it really great. Then I'm going to add just a little bit more on top. And it's ready to eat. Okay, now I'm gonna taste it for seasoning, and we're gonna see what this tastes like. I got a piece of crawfish in there. Let me get a green onion. I'm joking. I wanted to mention that if you are using crawfish from a leftover crawfish left over from a crawfish boil, don't put very much seasoning in it until after it cooks, because that crawfish has a lot of seasoning in it and it could easily get way too salty. So just wait until the end and season it the way you like. This is Cajun DIY Diva. Please tell me if you like this video, what you would do different. Give me suggestions, but I really love this stick of butter crawfish rice. It's just amazing.